Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sutton and I'm so glad you're joining me for this month's North Oaks News. Throughout this month, North Oaks is partnering with Louisiana Organ Procurement Agency to honor the incredible individuals who have given the gift of life through organ, tissue, and eye donation. In 2025, our community demonstrated extraordinary compassion. North Oaks recorded a 10% increase from 2024. We are honored to support 9 organ donors whose generosity helped save 31 lives. In addition, we had 26 tissue donors and 11 eye donors, each offering hope, healing, and even the gift of sight to those in need. These numbers reflect far more than statistics. They represent moments of kindness that change, and in many cases, saved lives. Throughout this month, we'll be sharing stories of donors, recipients, and families whose journeys remind us how deeply our lives are intertwined and how one act of generosity can change everything. Don't forget to check out Community, our digital magazine filled with inspiring stories, behind-the-scenes features, health insights, and updates that keep us all connected. At North Oaks, we're proud to grow alongside this community, but more than anything, we're grateful for the trust you've placed in us every day. Everything we do is rooted in our commitment to improving lives every time, every touch. And from all of us at North Oaks, a very happy Easter.